Question number 16. Which of the following statement is valid? So you have to check which of this statement is correct. So what do you mean? 1 KB is 1000 bytes? What do you think? Is it 1000 bytes? No, 1 KB is not 1000 bytes. If you have been reading about it, it's wrong. Okay. Second option, 1 KB is 1024 bytes. Let's see. 1 MB is 1000 kilobytes, or 1 MB is 1024 bytes. If here it was kilobytes, it would have been correct, but it's not correct. So coming to the second answer, second option is correct answer. Question number 17. Without any operating system, you can create letter using MS Word. So if the operating system is not there in the system, will the system work? Exactly, the system won't work. That's why if the answer will be false. Without any operating system, you can't create a letter using MS Word, because to start a system, you need an operating system. Coming to question number 18. Starting or restarting a computer is called booting the system. So if I start my computer, what will you call it other than starting? Or if I'm restarting my computer, what will you call it? Of course, you will call it booting. So yes, this will be true. Coming to question number 19. The dash tells the ret of the computer how to carry out a program's instructions. So what does tells the computer to carry out the program? System unit? Definitely not. Motherboard? No, it consists of all the data, but it does not tell to carry out the program. So coming to the third option, control unit. Yes, it has all the controls, so it is the one going to tell how to carry out the programs. And arithmetic logic unit, it performs mathematical operations, but no, it does not tell how to carry out the programs. Instructions are not being given by it. Yes, coming to the 28th question. In Windows operating system is a power saving state. Which of the following is a power saving state? What do you think? Which of these is a power saving state? Lock. When you lock your computer, it does not consume power. For example, you can take a laptop. Does it consume power? Of course it does consume power, so of course not. Restart. It will take some power to start, so no, again not in power saving. When you log off, okay, when you log off, it does save power. No, it does not save power. Maybe if we directly shut down, then it would be, but logging off your account won't save power. So sleep mode. Yes, sleep mode does save power, because when you keep your computer on sleep mode, none of the operations are being performed and the PC is idle, so it does not consume any power. That's why on sleep mode the PC does not consume any power. Coming to 28th question. A file created using Notepad is stored with the extension dash. So Notepad is a texting in which we can just add text. You must have heard about it, just like a pen and a notepad. In PC also we have a notepad, and in Notepad we just enter the text. What do you think? JPG, we know JPG is for images. PNG is also for images. Docs is for word files. So .txt, yes. Docs.txt is the extension used for Notepad. Coming to 22. GUI stands for Guide User Interface. What do you think? When you learn about the computer and its interface, command line use of it, and GUI, what do you mean by by GUI. Is it guide user interface? Of course not. It is false. It is graphic user interface. Because as we see, all the graphics and Windows is also using GUI. ROM. What is the full form of ROM? ROM means read only memory. Correct. ROM means read only memory, and so this answer becomes true. Coming to the 24th, dash is a collection of several separate troubleshooting utilities. Norton utilities? Absolutely. Norton utility is a collection of several separate troubleshooting utilities. Backup can't be the thing for troubleshooting. Uninstall, no. All of these, no. So only one answer is there. You can use one trick, and that is you can, if you don't know the answer, you can just eliminate the wrong answers and you will come with the right answer here. Another name for the cursor. Cursor means whatever this is there on the PC. So this is the cursor, and what is another name for it? Okay, so mouse? No, mouse is just a device used to handle the cursor. So not mouse. Clicker? No, click means when we click on it, but no, this is not an answer. Insertion point. Exactly, this is the right answer. Insertion point is the right answer. None of this, of course not, because insertion point is an answer, so none of this won't be an answer. Bits are combined into groups of 8 called bytes. Is it true or false? What do you think it is? Of course it is true, because 8 groups make a byte. That's why this is the correct answer. Question number 27. Random access memory, RAM. Now you have to tell it is temporary, it is permanent, it is flash, or it is smart. It is temporary because its name itself suggests random access memory. So it does have a random access. So it is not permanent, it is not flash, it is not smart, it is temporary. So when you start the system, it will just, you can access this. When you shut down, all the data will be again went back to the RAM and you can access this. So it is not permanent as in read-only memory is permanent. 28. Utilities are also known as service programs. So are they called as service programs? Of course they are called as service programs. 29. Question number 29. In Paint, you can save your picture in the following format except BMP, AVI, JPEG, GIF. What do you think? Which is an exception here? You can't save it in AVI format because it is for videos, and you can't save it in that format. Question number 30. Dash are used to store data and programs. Icons, recycle bin, menus, files. What does store data? Icons store data? No. Recycle bin, it is used when we delete the items, and it is for temporary deletion. It is menus? No. File, so file saves the stores the data and the programs. So the correct answer will be file. So coming to question number 30. Question number 31. Dash is controlled by a mouse and changes shape depending upon its current function. Icon, menus, help, pointer. What does mouse controls? It controls this cursor, and what does it do? It points. So the correct answer will be a pointer.